There you go. How are we doing? It's a Friday. It's another sample flip. I have a fun one. I'm surprised I haven't done. I don't think I've done this one yet. And this is a absolute classic. This is a. I was gonna say hood classic with it. This is a suburb classic. I just got a bunch of Skype sounds.
Please hold. Your call is now being forwarded.
Because I was originally thinking, let's do Discord sounds. That would be so fucking annoying, having to edit Discord sounds for 2 hours and constantly check. Oh shit, did someone send me a message? Space this phone type thing. I'm gonna go Riddim with this one as well. I've been doing a lot of non-Riddim stuff. I wanna try doing some Riddim shit again. Patch a piece of crunching sounds. Yo, let's go. Nice. Let's check that out actually. Get some drums down. Let me first try it on something that isn't the sample, just so I know what it does a little bit better. Cause I have the one with the vocoder. Ooh, actually with interface. Who knows what this does? These are the best names. This literally does nothing. I like these a lot. These has a really nice tone to them. Let's try and process that. Okay, I think we have a good bass. Now let's try putting this through a couple of racks. That's kind of sick, honestly. If we can get like, I'm not sure if I should do this via frequency shifting or pitch shifting. I don't know if I should do it this early in the chain. That's really sick. What the hell? That's low-key sick. All right, and we need a chug to go in the main. I might just use. Do I have a chug? I realize this sounds a lot like if eliminate were to make Riddim. That's kind of sick. All right, let's try and use some more of the actual samples. Oh, it's in key. Are you fucking serious? That's cool. Well, it works. It's in key. I think this would also work really well if this was like mega wide, like way wider than it really should be. But fuck the rules. I make rules. Yeah. We definitely. Okay. Let's get an intro going. We definitely need to use this into like a Riddim intro. As someone, okay, Skype, ringtone, key, and BPM. Someone has made sheet music of it. The first notes actually work really well. All right, let's sprinkle some of these other ones in here every once in a while. Because one of my favorite things to do is when I have a rack I really like, I like just putting a bunch of stuff through it and see what comes out. Hold up. Let's lay out this with something else. I'm not going to use this sound. I'm just going to use this as a placeholder for now. Oh, we got to put that somewhere. That's the sound when you disconnect, so let's just put that right at the end. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna set track is done. Alright, this one I made in about 1.5 hours ish.
Please hold. Your call is now being forwarded.
Honestly, this is like one of my favorites I've done for this series. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. Time is up. How many submissions do we have? Yeah, I have a solid 2. All right, go up. That works really well. That's fine, honestly. That works really well. And we got Dooster.
Please hold. Your call is now being filtered.
Ooh, did you put it into minor? That's sick. Let's go. Since only 2 submissions, I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna give the W to Guap. But yeah, see ya.